What's up, YouTube? This is the Barber Illuminati. One more time with another fresh one. Today I have a quick, fast, effective, fast haircut tutorial. I'm in a hurry. He's in a hurry. His mama is in a hurry. I'm excited. You excited? Hey, let's go, okay? Shout out to Cus from Custom Made Barbershop in Jacksonville, Florida. What's up? All right, let me adjust this camera here. Get this haircut tutorial on the way so we can go home or go to lunch. It's Sunday. We didn't go to church today. It's okay. We're just gonna record videos all day. Boom. This is not the type of haircut I usually do on this channel. This is not gonna be a skin fade. Fortunately for you, this is a basic comb over. Nothing fancy. We're gonna keep them. I'm gonna be using 3 blades. 1.5, 1A, and 1. That's it. All right, I'm not gonna do too much talking because his mom is in a hurry. I am in a hurry. So, let's go! This is my 1.5 blade. Yep, that was the 1.5. Then I'm gonna do a quick clip over comb. Then I'm gonna keep working. Alright, I'm putting the 1.5 back on at an angle because I intend for the 1.5 to blend into the hair on top. Boom. Alright, I'm going to squeeze in my 1A blade into the 1.5. This is the 1A. Blending into the 1.5. Get in there. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Boom. 1A once again. Then the one below, the 1A. I keep everything at an angle because if you keep the blades at an angle, one below the other, they all should blend with one another. That's how it's done. Barber Illuminati. This video is being recorded at Marvelous Video and Barber School in Waukegan, Illinois. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same steps. This time starting with the 1.5 one more time. I'm going to wait the hair a little. Thank you. Boom. One and a half. One A, below the 1.5 to make sure everything is nice and smooth. By the way, this is my third video of the day. Today's Sunday, October 20th, 2019. I'm on fire today. I haven't recorded in a while, but today is my chance. Oh my God. And I'm taking full advantage of it. Barber Illuminati. Alright. I'm going to move on to the lining. As you can see, this video is being done fast. We are not going to waste time here. We're not going to be lingering around. We're pressing for time. We got to do this video on time and move on. We're keeping it round at the neckline. Whatever's going on is very self-explanatory. I don't need to say a whole lot, so if you see me quiet, bear with me. Plus, I'm trying to snap this video out of here as soon as possible. Boom. All right. Now I'm going to have to tidy up the top a bit better. I'm going to wipe the hair, I'm going to take a look, do a little final touch up. Please. All right, I'm gonna adjust the hairline a little bit better, as you can see. We are looking awesome. Oh my God. All right. What else can I do here? Don't mind me. Small little details that's needed. The crown is a bit too bulky right over here. I'm breaking it down freehand style. A little extra hair at the crown, around the ridge area. I'm going to freehand it with my OA blade. And lastly, I'm going to kind of go over the top just a little bit to make sure everything is nice and even. Then we're going to wrap it up. That's how we do it. This is a quick video like I said it was going to be, and it is. It's under 15 minutes, and I'm excited. All right, I'm gonna just touch up the top to make sure everything is nice and even. Just cross-checking, really. And then we're gonna go out to lunch. Making sure everything is nice and even. I already cut the top earlier before I got started. Do a little cross-checking. Making sure everything is nice and even. Yep. All right. All right, YouTube, this is the cut. I'm going to attempt to do a quick span. We're pressing for time. The goal was to do the haircut under 15 minutes, and I think I did just that. I'm going to clean up a bit, and then we're going to do a quick span, then we're going out for lunch. Yep. We're not going to put any product in the hair today. No products. Maybe a little water would help keep the hair in place. Let me just put a little bit of water. We're not using no product today. Boom. The water gonna help keep the hair in place. There we go. This is the style. I'm excited. My client here is excited. YouTube is excited. And it's all good. All right, YouTube, this is the cut. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Also, feel free to look us up on Instagram. Oh, I almost forget to spin. Can you leave this? All right, let's do a quick spin here. Let's do a quick spin here so you guys can see the entire work. Bear with me. I'm working the camera myself. Bear with me. We're looking good. Everybody's excited. Look at this. Wow, this is incredible. Wow, this is amazing. Wow, this is incredible. Wow. All right, YouTube, this is a cut. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Also, feel free to look me up on Instagram. Barber Illuminati.